Just like I always say, all in one bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, wow. Samahan nyo, papunta tayo sa gate. May surprise ako sa inyo. Sir, Kaburi Co. Right. Sige sir, pila na po. Adin nga. Okay, thank you. Sabi ko na, kachat kayo muna Sir Francis. Thank you. Alright, so heto na nga yung mga kinuha nating mga food packages kanina dun sa gate natin sa subdivision. And again, we would like to thank Kaburi Co for sponsoring our vlog for today. This is their fan page. Ang pinadeliver nila sa atin ay mga Samgy set, samgyupsal set. So mga samgyupsal set na to are available for only 199 pesos via Food Panda or Mangan.Ph, and soon they will be including yung Grab Food. Available din yung kanilang in-house delivery. So for more information, I'm gonna be including here. And yeah, excited na ako makita ng mga Samgy package. They claim to be one of the first Samgy delivery dito sa Pampanga, and they are already serving these kinds of packages since last year, before even nagkaroon ng ECQ. So yeah, sabi pa nila may mga kind note pa sa atin. Sabi nila, God bless you and stay safe. Alright, so let's get into the packages. First of all, you got your lettuce, fresh lettuce guys. There you have it. Okay, let's leave it here. And then we also have kimchi. This is kimchi. Yeah. Macaroni salad. Another one is, alright, cucumber. This one is their samgyang. Yeah. And then of course, so this one is their meat. Yes. Chopsticks. And then for the meat, alright. So for a price of 199 pesos, this is what you will get in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this is how it looks like after we have unpacked all the food na diniliver sa atin. No? So quantity nito actually is 4 packs for only 199 pesos each. So this is around 800 pesos. So nga pala, let me just reiterate. No? So it comes with lettuce, and then it has I'm not sure how much grams yung meat natin, but this is pork. And then it has 4 side dishes. Ayan, so meron kang kimchi. Ayan, so meron tayong pickled cucumber. Meron ding samgyang. And then macaroni salad. So for only 199 pesos. Okay, so let's taste it. Okay, let's put in a kimchi. There you go. Konting samgyang lang. Actually, sa akin kasi enough na yung enough na yung kimchi para sa akin eh. Oh wow. I guess if you have a griller sa bahay, you can actually heat these, yung meat natin, no? So and then you can kuha lang kayong kuha dun sa griller. At least it's warm while you're eating it. What I love about the side dishes, guys, so nilagay ko pa lang is yung kimchi at saka yung samgyang. It's not too spicy, hindi overpower yung spiciness, and at the same time hindi rin siya ganun kaasim, not unlike other kimchi na natitikman natin. Medyo overpower yung yung sour. Just like I always say, all in one bite. Mm. Mm. Guys, for the price of 199 pesos, straight on your doorstep, what else can you ask for, no? So again, we would like to thank Kaburi Co. Actually, Kaburi Co is a Kapampangan word which means I like it. Yeah, if you're craving for a samgyupsal meal during this ECQ and you can't go out, might as well contact them, Kaburi Co. They have a Facebook fan page and a number to call. Yeah, let's enjoy Korean food in the comfort of our home, di ba? So, thank you guys for watching. We're in Pampanga. I'm still gonna enjoy this until our next food tasting. Thanks so much. Alright. So I always say, guys, all in one bite.